When it comes to classic muscle cars, the 1970 Mustang Mach 1 holds a special place in automotive history. It's an icon of American muscle, beloved for its aggressive styling and raw V8 power. But what happens when you don't want to keep it purely original? What if you want to fuse that classic charm with modern performance, handling, and technology? The answer lies in the world of Restomods, cars that combine vintage aesthetics with contemporary engineering. And this bright green Mustang Mach 1, hitting the auction block this weekend, is a perfect example of just how bold that transformation can get. This 1970 Mach 1 isn't a gentle refresh, it's a full rotisserie restoration and custom build, where almost every part has been replaced or upgraded. Restomods usually walk a fine line between preserving classic appeal and enhancing drivability. But this Mach 1 makes no apologies. It's loud, aggressive, and unapologetically modern in almost every detail. First, let's talk looks. The bright green paint grabs your attention immediately. It's flashy and commands the spotlight wherever it goes. But beyond the paint, the bodywork has been significantly altered to improve aerodynamics and add a more aggressive stance. New rear quarter panels now feature larger air intakes, helping with cooling and breathing for the powerful engine inside. Up front, a custom hood hints at the muscle underneath, paired with a sleek silver grille that freshens the iconic Mach 1 face. The extended chin spoiler and new side skirts add to the aerodynamic profile, while side exit exhausts contribute to the car's menacing side view and hint at the powerful growl waiting to be unleashed. Inside, the Restomod theme continues, though not everyone might love the choices. The same vivid green paint coats large sections of the dashboard and transmission tunnel, creating a bold visual statement that some might find polarizing. Glossy gray leather and Alcantara trim contrast against the green, elevating the interior with a modern, sporty feel. Added to that is a double-din Pioneer stereo system and aftermarket gauges, blending vintage design cues with contemporary convenience and technology. Whether you love the interior or hate it, there's no denying that it's uniquely customized to stand out. Now, the heart of the beast. Under the hood sits a modern Coyote 5.0-liter V8 engine, a significant upgrade over the original power plants offered in 1970. This potent V8 is paired with a Tremec T56 six-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control over power delivery and an engaging driving experience. Power is sent to a 9-inch rear end, a durable and widely respected differential setup known for handling serious horsepower. Handling and braking are not left to chance either. The Mustang suspension has been extensively upgraded, with new upper and lower control arms, coilovers for adjustable ride height and damping, and an aluminum drive shaft for improved strength and reduced weight. To stop this beast, Willwood brakes provide powerful, reliable stopping performance, complemented by a stainless steel exhaust that lets the engine roar freely while ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. This Restomod Mustang Mach 1 perfectly captures the essence of the modern Restomod scene, respecting classic styling but refusing to sacrifice performance, comfort, and technology. It's designed for someone who wants to enjoy the visceral thrill of a vintage Mustang but doesn't want to deal with the compromises of an old car's handling, brakes, or reliability. Whether you love the bold styling choices or find them a bit too much, there's no denying this car is a serious machine built for enthusiasts who want it all. It's a rare chance to own a piece of muscle car history, reborn and reimagined for the modern era. If you're heading to the auction this weekend or just love the Restomod culture, this 1970 Mustang Mach 1 Restomod will definitely spark strong opinions, and that's exactly what makes it so special.